Hey, what's up YouTube? We're back with another one in regards to how to set up a horn block. When setting up a horn block, there's a few options in regards to the type of compression driver that you want to use. Go on Amazon, take a quick look, there's a multiple options. Now this is the horn block that we decided to go along with, which is a DS18. It's a 2-inch voice coil. Once you've confirmed which compression driver you want to use, the next step is to pick the type of box that you want to use to conceal your horns. This one specifically is only for horns. It does not need tweeters with it as well. Now these are the speaking connectors. When we're connecting the horns, we normally use the second pins, which is the positive and negative on the second side. And if you're using the block that has tweeters, you can use the number 1 pins to have those connected. Now once the wires are soldered onto the speaking connector, the next step is just to cut different runs of wires to connect to each horn driver that's in the box. That also applies for the tweeters if you're adding tweeters in your box. Now once all your wires are prepped and ready to go into the horn driver, you want to try to fit your horn into the box. And one thing you should always do is to ensure that it fits before connecting the wires. As you can see clearly, we did not do that in our part. Now that we have an almost completed horn block, the next step is to figure out the speaker connector wire. Now here's a diagram showing how it is normally connected. Now wiring the connector is quite simple and pretty straightforward. All you have to do is follow suit with the wires that you've connected in the box. So if you connected the horns on pin 2, connect the horn wires on pin 2 as well. And if you did have the tweeters and it's on pin 1, install the wires into pin 1 as well for the tweeters. The last step is to now connect it to your amplifier. As you can see, this horn block is connected bridge and you're all done. Now enjoy being the loudest on your block. Have a good day, YouTube. See you on the next one.